So he says, Karpanya dosho bahata svabhava, shishyashtemam, sharimam tvam prapanam. So Rupa Goswami, the gopis, they know the Bhagavad Gita very well. So they're using the same. He said, Atikala mukyam, you're muk. Krishna, you're such a teacher, you're Dharma vid. Dharma vid means the guru. He's supposed to be Dharma vid, or Bhakti Yoga vid. He should know that if he's a yogi or Ashtanga yogi, then he should know what he's talking about. So they're saying, you're telling us like your disciples. But really, I mean, this is so wonderful. They're saying, Atikala mukim, your mouth is, you should, what do they say? You should teach your bad mouth disciple. You know what bad mouth means? It says, ati, excessively, ati, completely, absolutely, excessively. This is called a superlative in Sanskrit. Superlative. Like, Purnam, Purnatara, Purnatam. Krishna and Dwarka is Purnam Bhagavan. And Mathura, he's Purnatara. And then Swayam Bhagavan, Rasika Shekhar, Sri Krishna Vrindavan is Purnatam. So this is called superlative.